Many people ask, what is a bill of particulars? And that's a specific legal term that people use in New York. Now, what it really means is when a plaintiff files a lawsuit against a defendant, let's say it's a car crash, the lawsuit will have certain allegations, and then the answer, when they respond to the lawsuit, will either admit or deny those allegations, and there could also be counterclaims or cross claims, bringing in other parties, and affirmative defenses stating what the person who brought the lawsuit may have done wrong. But then the defendant can serve these questions. And the questions could be anything from state your name, date of birth, state what you feel we did wrong, list all of the negligence. How did we do something bad, or what did we fail to do that we should have done, and state your injuries. Tell us about each medical diagnosis. Tell us about, whether you were confined to bed, and if so, for how long, whether you were confined to the hospital, confined to home. And so answering these questions is a bill of particulars, because the questions themselves are known as a demand for a bill of particulars, and the answers are the bill of particulars themselves. And in New York, it's very important to have a complete bill of particulars. So, for example, if a client is treating, and then first he has a herniated disc, you plead herniated disc in the bill of particulars. But later, if that same client needs a spinal fusion surgery, you have to put that, and you have to, supplement the bill of particulars and put that surgery in there. Because at trial, if you show up to court and your surgery, for example, is not in the bill of particulars, because of the, antiquated system we have, the defendant can actually move to dismiss the entire case, or to preclude you from discussing the surgery in your damages trial, which is something obviously no plaintiff would ever want, because that would be a huge problem. So it's very important to get all of the injuries into the bill of particulars, and to get all of the theories of the case, all of the causes of action, all of the negligence. It's very important. So that's one of the most important things that we do as plaintiffs, try and supplement and amplify it so that it's up to date and proper. Hope this has been helpful. Thank you.